Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So today we're going to create some text cat out of a picture. So this is what we're going to be making today. To kick things off, I'm going to open my Finder where I have my image. I'm going to right click on this image and then we're going to say open with and Photoshop. Here you can see our image uploaded, and on the right hand side you can see the layer. So first thing we're going to do is add an empty layer, and we are going to fill that with our paint bucket tool with white. So make sure that white here is selected, and we're just going to throw that full. Next thing we're going to do is click on the background layer, and with your right hand mouse we're going to duplicate that layer and then just click on OK. And we're going to move that one on top. So at the bottom we have our background layer, which is locked, so there's nothing that can change there. Here we have our second layer, the white, and then we have our background layer, the copy of it. So next thing we're going to do is we're going to take our type tool, click on here, and we're going to write winter sky. And then with our selection tool, we are going to move it to approximately the center, and we can use the guidelines that Photoshop automatically does. Next thing we're going to do, we're going to select the background copy and we're going to move it above. With this background selected, I'm going to click on these lines here and we're going to create a clipping mask. And there you go. That is the final image. One last tip, a few things you can do. If you select this image, you can move the background. So if you don't like this positioning, we can move it up and have the mountains appear in it as well.